Hello everyone, it's Mr. Stone again, and it is another great day for music this Thursday. So today I'm going to have you doing Quaver Creatives. Those are the ones where you get to create different types of music. So if you've done them before, you know it's fun. If you haven't done them before, I think you're going to like it. So just a quick reminder how to get there. If you go to Clever and then click log in, and then once you're in Clever, if you have Quaver in your favorites, it'll be at the top. If not, it should be down under Computer Lab Times. You can click on Quaver. And again, if it's your first time in, you're going to have to choose with flash or without. Also, if it's your very first time in, it's going to ask yes or no about if you already have a login. You can go ahead and click no on that and it will create your login for you. So I'm going to show you the without flash version first tonight. This one will work on pretty much any type of device, phones or tablets, Chromebooks, pretty much anything. And if you click on that, Creatives is right here in the top right. And then it gives you these 7 options. And all of these different things, you can actually create music yourself that you can play back and rearrange and have a lot of fun with. For primary, the song brush is really just like a paintbrush tool, and it paints music onto the staff that they can play back. Grooves is the next easiest. It's kind of pre-recorded music that they just drop in the boxes to play. And then there's one that's called Backbeat, that's a drum set. And then there's one for guitar. And then Composer Light is sort of like writing piano music. The sound effects is actually creating sound effects for videos. And then Synthesizer does some other things with like electronic sounds. But Cue Grooves, if you click on that one in the light version, it looks a little different than they might be used to. But basically, they're going to choose a style of music here that we talked about last week, and then it's going to give them different options. They can change notes here, and then they just simply drag the box up in the line that matches that color. If they want a different instrument, they click up here, and then it's going to give them different options here. They can change the style for every instrument, mix and match, leave some blank. If they want to erase, all they do is simply drag that item and it'll erase that item off so they can do something different. Most of them are pretty easy, and they also have instructions to help them know how to use it, or a help button on here. So I'm going to quickly go to the with flash version. So if you switch to with flash and click allow on your computer, that takes them back to Quaver Street like they were last week. And the easiest way to get to Creatives on Quaver Street is to go to Apps in this bottom left-hand corner. And then the Creatives are all right over here on the right. You'll notice Sound Effects and Synth are over here on the left. This one also has a dancer one that a lot of kids like to make the person dance. And then there's also a cue skits that they can try. So this week I just want them to have fun creating some music. If they want to send me a video where I can listen to their sound or audio of that sound, that would be great. They can put it in a portfolio or send it as a message. I would love to hear them. Have fun.